a power 6 minus 7a power இதை வேணால் you can write in the quadratic form. When you write this as quadratic form, a cube whole squared minus 7a cube minus 8. So this is in quadratic form, squared. So we can factorize like this, isn't it? So multiply panna minus 8 then minus 7. So minus 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 multiply panna minus 8. So equal to a cube minus 8a cube plus 1a cube, or you can write 1 and 8 here, anyway you can write. இங்கே தான் 8 எழுதணும் அப்படியெல்லாம் இல்லை. ஈக்குவல் டு யூ டேக் இங்கே க்யூப் இருக்குது, இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது ஸ்கொயர் இல்லையா, இங்கே வந்து ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ யூ கேன் டேக் a cube காமன். ஸோ another a cube inside. Squared 1a cube we have taken outside, so a cube minus 8. Here you can take 1 common, so a cube minus 8. So equal to a cube minus 8 common. So a cube minus 8 take outside, a cube plus 1, a cube plus 1. And this can be written as a cube minus 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then a cube plus 1 cube. So further you are applying the identity a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So a plus a minus b, then a squared minus means plus, plus ab, then plus b squared. Then another one a cube plus 1 cube. So a plus b, then a squared plus means minus, minus ab plus b squared. So simplify, a minus 2 a squared plus 2a plus 4, then a plus 1 a squared minus a plus 1. Now question number 14, factorize this. Here you can take a cube minus b cube formula. So a cube minus 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 3b the whole cube plus here you can take b squared a 1a 1b, then 2 table 2ab you can take outside, 2ab common, so another a inside, then here 3 table minus 3b, b squared you have taken 1b outside, so 3 also here, 2 into 3 6. So now you apply the formula a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, then a squared minus means here plus ab, a b plus b squared 9b squared. When you make the square it is 9b squared, then 2ab a minus 3b. Here a minus 3b common, a minus 3b common. So take a minus 3b outside. So a squared plus 3ab plus 9b squared, then plus 2ab, right? Now you can add this and this. So a minus 3b, a squared plus 5ab plus 9b squared. Next question number